Guys, gonna show you how to use this Twitter account creator. This is the first tutorial video. This is a main page where you'll be able to watch the status as the account's created. You start and stop account creation. The first tab will be account profile data, which now has a full macro. So you can use these placeholders on the right here, which will generate your user details for each account. I'll just set the default for now. You can follow the users based on randomly, which will just search for users randomly. So if you wanted to follow 3 to 5 users, you can do that. Or you can use the from username list, where you can add your username, one per line, just like that. No @ symbol, just the username. So I'll follow myself there. I'm going to update my profile pictures, the profile picture, the location, bio, and link. The default's just a link to Google. Bios you can use a one per line, but you can spin each bio if you wish. Locations, same, one per line. So that's that tab I'll set up. Email accounts is the next tab. You can create confirmed accounts. There's 2 ways you can do it now. You can use email accounts, which I use Hotmail, which is usually best. I'm going to load my accounts. I've got 1,000 accounts there. They're not created with the GMX account creator, GMX and Hotmail account creator, because the alias features seems to be messing things up. I'm going to get it sorted as soon as I can, really. But yeah, I'll post a link of where to get some decent accounts, quite cheap, Hotmail accounts. So I'm going to load these accounts. You need to make sure you load them before you start the account creation. And as the accounts are created, once it's successfully created, the Twitter account, then the email will be removed from this list. So if you are saving it to a list before you close the application, you need to resave your accounts to your list. It won't automatically do that for you. That's the first way, we're using Hotmail and the accounts from here. And the other way is using a catch-all account, where you can add your catch-all username and password, and all the emails will be sent to that account. But if you are using that, then you need to add your domain here and your your macro here. So each confirmation email is sent to the same domain, and then when it verifies the emails, it'll download them from the one single catch-all account and verify them. So I'm going to turn that off for now. Just going to use the Hotmail accounts. Proxies, you're better off using private proxies. So I've got 11 there, private proxies. I'm going to proxy all the connections. If you're using public proxies, you can test them using the proxy tester. It's pretty fast. It'll test against Twitter servers. I wouldn't recommend using public proxies. Private proxies are much better, but you can use them if you wish. I'm going to create 30 accounts using 30 threads. It is socket based, so it doesn't use a browser, so shouldn't use too much CPU usage. Timeout, internet connection here is pretty good, so 20 seconds. Capture retries. I'll retry 3 times until it'll stop. account retries, just the one for tutorial purposes. Right, account CSV file, it must be in CSV format. I've got one here that's just an empty CSV. So I'm going to load that. There's no accounts in there. Def by capture, I'm going to use right, so I've added my capture service here, which will solve my captures for me. I am going to try and get some, I've been a bit busy, but I am going to try and get some more added, some more services, but currently only def by capture supported. Right, I'll do another video on the Hotmail checker, which is quite decent really. Yeah, and that's it. That's set up to create accounts. So I'll start the account creation, and we'll see if we get some confirmed accounts. Hopefully. You see, it said email already used. That's because I forgot to save my accounts when I last ran the software. But yeah, these are all updating, following the users. Yeah, these first, I don't think I did 5 accounts. Yeah, so then 5 have failed because the emails have already been used. We take a look at email accounts. It'll remove them from this list as they're used. Okay, so we've got 24 created. It's not confirmed any yet because we're waiting for the emails. And failed 7. 5 of them is because I forgot to save my emails before I ran the software again. Right, I'll pause the video and I'll be back in a minute. Pause. Okay, I'm back and we've got about 30 seconds left on most of the wait times. As the emails are confirmed, it don't currently support proxies, but it will be doing soon with the next update. So it has to wait, otherwise they'll get blocked by the Hotmail servers. So this one's connecting, and then another one will say waiting to connect. So this one's confirming the account, confirmed. So they'll wait. Seems like they're all confirming quite well now. It'll retry twice as well if it fails to confirm, and it'll try and reconnect again. But it looks like every single one's confirming quite well. Okay, complete. So we've got 24 created and 24 confirmed, which is great. The account manager, oh yeah, wait, this is where I always forget. I need to resave these emails back over my list, so when I load it again, I'm not using the same emails. So I've got 970 now. Account manager. From here you can select the accounts file I've just created, load it, so we've got 24 accounts. I'm going to select delimiter, colon, whatever you want, or comma. The format which you want to use, maybe for some other software, username, password, email, proxy, and just confirmed accounts, which will be all of them. Export them, and it'll export to a text document. If you want to export non-confirmed accounts, you can do, but there won't be any in there because they're all confirmed. Just all the accounts, and voila. Yeah, I'm sure you'll get used to it. Thanks for watching. Bye.